Good morning, cyber traders. Happy December 22nd. How's everybody doing? Beautiful. All right. Good morning to all of you. Sorry about that little delay right there. I had to change headsets. It looks like had a different headset working at one time, but it's good to see you. Everyone is here. I can't believe it. The day, today is a historic day. You know why? Because it's the slowest day of the year in trading. It really is. Everybody's out there leaving, kids, playing hooky, going away, for the weekend, getting ready for the Christmas holiday. So, what's interesting about today's trading concept, I want to let you guys know that if something has to come out with news, it's going to move, and a lot of the assistants are not in, the top traders are not in, so they're just going to let it go. So you might not get a lot of good shakes out there, but overall, it's going to be very, very, it's going to be an interesting day. So anyway, we'll see what happens this morning. I think this afternoon is going to be completely dead at all, but we did a great event yesterday. By the way, I'd like to thank a lot of the compliments from a lot of you. We did an event yesterday, and our audience was almost at 300 people that attended. We had so many signups. My God, I think it was the biggest percent that we ever had of registers, and we did a little promotion because we knew it was going to be a slow week going into next week. So hopefully everyone here, if you're a new trial member or you posting it off, pushing it off till the following week, whatever it is, like I said, just make sure you talk to Education Advisor, and please keep in mind, this is not a teaching room, this is a trading room. And the Education Advisor will tell you, but the staff, all the students out there, thanks for going out there. Like I said, everyone, you made me a promise, and you stuck with it, and I told you this. I know that we're going to make a lot of money together, and when we do, you're going to know why you did what you did when you did come over to CTU, and that's why you're here. And the only way we make money is we work together like a team, and that's the great aspect of it. So thanks, everyone. And thank you very much for that compliment yesterday. That was great from you. In the meantime, guys, let's talk about what is moving in the market. There were a couple of good things that moved yesterday, and a lot of them are obviously showing up in the big losers list. So we're going to go check them out in a little bit, but let's see what's going on this morning. First of all, there are a couple of stocks, so don't panic. It's not completely dead. There are a couple of things that are moving. The SGH came up on my radar, 27,000 shares at 9%. It's a little on the expensive side. I know it's not, what we're really looking for, but I did see a couple of iceberg orders out there on the Matrix, on the TradeStation platform. It's not terrible. It's okay. WPRT, another one that's gapped up a little bit this morning. I think I told you about this morning, regarding about the little move on it. It's not up a lot. We saw it around 320. If you got in pre-market, you're doing pretty well as of right now. It's got decent volume. It's not up a lot. It's not up a lot. Susie says check out the DCIX trade. Yeah, that one just popped out of nowhere, and we know this stock very, very well, very well. So definitely put this one on your watch list. The container company with the shipping stocks moving again all of a sudden. All right, well, let's see what's going on with that. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on that one. That one's definitely going to make the watch list. But be very careful. We know that stock is very, very volatile. All right, so that one made the list. What else we got I found this morning? The LJPC trade. That one also has some decent volatility, up 9%, 95,000 shares. Not really what we're looking for, but I'm really stretching here. I did call this one out this morning. I was kind of a little impressed about this one. We know that pharmaceutical stocks don't come back just by reading by the name, knowing it's in the pharmacy industry or in the medical industry. But this stock took a big hit from $5, went all the way down to $1, came back a little bit, up $1. So tested some major support levels. This one looks pretty interesting, and it got beat up once before, and it came back. So this one, I don't know if anyone got in the pre-market. This one's doing pretty well. The ERJ is another one that I kind of like, hopping over here in the New York Stock Exchange. Spread's a little bit big. It's not up a lot. It's only up 6%, but it's got 350,000 shares. Look at all those orders out there on the Matrix over there. So that is another nice little, got some good volatility. MTL, another one that we're very familiar with. We traded this stock in the past. Decent volume. It's up 5%. not crazy, but it's okay. But I want to take I always want to talk about what we did trade, and also talk about what they're doing right now, because somebody faced me on messaged me on Facebook, and it says, "Hey Fausto, whatever happened to your NETE that you traded? Doesn't look too well, does it?" And you always get listen, when you've been around as long as me, one thing I've learned is in the beginning, when you start out, you always get people they always scrutinize you, and you always worry what people think about you and this and that, and they write bad things about you because, I don't know, maybe people are just jealous, maybe. But now it doesn't bother me anymore. I've been doing this for so long. You can't appease everybody. Someone's got to blame someone, right, for something. So anyway, I'm bringing this up because this guy sent me an email, message me on. He goes, "Fausto, you talk so highly about NET. Where is it?" I'm like, they're haters. Well, anyway, I'll get talk about that. But anyway, the point is, I'm like, excuse me, that was a day trade, not a swing trade. And he emails me back. What's the difference? Okay, I said $7. I told him, come and join the trading room, and you'll see, and I'll give you money back if you're not happy. So anyway, that just shows you the ignorance of some people out there, that they'll do everything they can to kind of scrutinize whatever it is. And it's so funny, I don't want to make a big deal about it, but there's things, if you look at everybody, there's competitors bashing you, this and that. At the end of the day, I tell everyone, don't believe what you hear on the internet all day long. We're not stupid. Come and see the facts and come in here. Obviously some people are better marketers than others. Some people know how to destroy people on the internet better than others. But at the end of the day, I don't take it personal. So, you know what? I'm happy where I am. I'm happy to have you guys here. It's Christmas, so let's be happy. Let's make some money. And that's what it's all about, right? So anyway, the NETE, I'm bringing it up because, once again, we did really well with it. Look where it ended up. CCIH, same thing. Had a nice little pop. What ends up in the gainers ends up in the losers. So there we are. What was the other one? Yeah, DPW, same thing. What ended up on the gainers, boom, right in the losers. Jim, good morning, Fausto. Do you have some kind of referral process to refer? Might get special handing? Should I suggest to contact? Well, Jim, once again, if you are a new student, a new trial member, whatever it is, every single one of you have an education advisor. It's on your dashboard. You should have got an email from him. Talk to him, and they'll walk you through things and tell you a little bit about what to expect and what to do. Just please keep in mind, this is a trading room, and we have some training videos for you to watch so you know what's going on. But in the meantime, guys, anything before we go that we found? Anything we're missing? Anything else? I think we pretty much got it. Listen, this is hands down one of the slowest days of the month, okay? The year, not the month, the year. So just listen, just keep in mind, everybody, that it's what it is what it is. We always find something that will come out of nowhere. We're going to be here till the close. If there's something that moves in the afternoon, you have access to your cell phones. You could access the trading room. Doesn't take you too far to get back to your computer. We only trade the last half hour of the close. But I think it's going to be a pretty rapid opening and a rapid close, and it'll just die completely. I think people just want to run, go do their Christmas shopping, get on their planes, get ready for food, go food shopping. Like me, I got to get ready. I'm cooking for almost 50 people, so I'm excited about that. What it is, so it'll be a lot of fun. But in the meantime, any other rainy here, Ronnie? Well, listen, hopefully we get some snow, right? But we got a pretty decent list. Let's see if anything pops out. Now, remember, everyone, not every one of these stocks are going to be moving. We always find new ones that will pop up out of the blue. So if that happens, maybe 2-3 of them might move, but we always find a lot of them when the market opens up at 9:30. So we'll see. If you see something, guys, say something. All right, everyone? If I do not see you this afternoon, everyone, I wish everyone a happy holidays. Happy New Year. I don't know if you're going to be around. Merry Christmas to all of you. And like I said, let's make a listen. 2017 was a great year for us. We made a lot of money, and I'm telling you, I think 2018 is going to be better than 17. So let's keep the momentum going. All right, guys. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading, and let's make some money going to this open.